our baking class. Let's start. Guys, good morning. I just woke up and today the agenda is that I'll be going to school to attend my baking class. That's going to be around 12 noon. It's currently 8 a.m. so I still have time to prepare my PPEs, my chef's jacket. I also have to bring some utensils that the kitchen lab doesn't have. So I have to bring the chiffon mold, I have to bring matcha powder, I have to bring a mixer probably. For this morning, I'll be going to Val Coffee because my agenda there is to clean and arrange the storage room because it's still too early. Ano pa, 8 a.m. I still have like 3 hours to be productive. So I'm gonna clean the storage room and I'm also gonna fetch the tools, equipments, and ingredients there that I should be bringing to the school. So yeah, come with me as I run my errands and as I go to school today. I'm currently decluttering my bag and I'm gonna show you what I'll be bringing to school today. The first thing would be the bulkiest thing. This is the bag that contains all the wires and adapters, electronics. That's for my phone, my Apple Watch, my AirPods, and my MacBook. All for the electronics. Whew. They're actually MacBook right now, so I'm gonna put it here also. I love to read a book while, when I'm not driving, I'm just like commuting to school. I love to read a book on a jeep or on a bus. Since it's Monday, I have to arrange my medicine. There's some days, as you can see, that I forgot to drink my vitamin C's. That's okay. So we're just gonna refill. So for now, I am taking 2 vitamins. That's the B12 and the vitamin C. So yeah, that's it. So we have the B12 and the vitamin C. So this is the B12. This is everything. Oh, can you see it? Yeah. That's going inside my bag. This is what I call my coin purse. It's from Siargao. When I stayed there for a while, I bought it. So all the coins must go here. So by the way, it's a daily thing that I have to put 1,000 bill on this particular safe because this is my savings for me to go to Bali a couple of months from now. So I'm gonna show you. Do you see that safe? The Bali Indonesia label on. It's a good thing that as early as now, start saving for your trips because it makes life easier. So next would be my AirPods. Let me put it here. If you have seen my other videos, I always bring this. It's a pepper spray. These are my room keys. It's so cute. I already showed you my coin purse. This is my wallet. It has all my IDs, my credit cards, some cash, some sunglasses. This is my planner. This is my to-do list for today. It's Monday, so it's a lot. I'm gonna put that here. I always has that feeling that if I am unproductive today or yesterday, I need to make bawi the next day. Kasi for me, daily life is like a challenge. It's like a game for me. I need to cross off all the to-do lists. I need to be super productive because for me subconsciously it's like that It's like the habit of being successful. And at first it was good, but now it's becoming a little unhealthy because I was even like so tired and sick. I would still do the things just to be productive. It's like I'm really scared to spend the day being unproductive. I have that mom and dad guilt, and I don't want to feel that. So I don't know. Should I enroll to a therapist or whatever? So that's everything in my bag. Close that. This is actually a gift from my mom. It's so cute. It's pure leather. No, not really pure, but faux leather. Look at me. This is just a selfie because I got this printed out during the pandemic, so there's no such way that I could go to school and get a picture of my ID, so I just took a selfie. I'm gonna show you my baking uniform. So basically just my chef's jacket, chef's apron, yeah. Okay, the first is the chef's cap. So it looks like this. Always wear in the kitchen. Next thing would be the apron. Nothing special. Towels. And this is the chef's jacket. My name in it and the school logo. It's so cool. So today we'll be baking a bunch of chiffons. So if you don't know, chiffon is a sponge cake that's very airy. It just melts in your mouth, and it's very versatile. You can put a lot of flavors. But it just happened that when we did the, what do you call that? Bunot. Like cherry picking. Yeah, we did the cherry picking of what particular chiffon or what particular flavor of the chiffon cake that we'll be doing. What we picked was the regular one, the one that has no flavor, which is pretty boring, and I don't feel challenged at all. So I asked our baking our baking instructor to like, can we add something like matcha or whatever? She said yes. So I'm bringing today a matcha powder to actually like just elevate, because I think everybody already tasted the regular chiffon cake, but I think it's a great idea to add matcha powder to it. I'm gonna bring you in a while to Val Coffee because I have a lot of to-do list related there. So bye. And it's a mess, so I have to clean everything. So yeah. Let's start. I'm running late to school now. I really enjoyed cleaning the storage room. I wasn't able to check the time. But now, I'm waiting for a jeep or a bus, whatever. That's the fit. Hi guys. I'm back. Brev, say hi to my vlog. Hi. Hi guys. John Fonic, yung may video dyan dyan. Nag-ano ka ito kay gabi, no? Ito. 30 grams. We're making chiffon cake. But later, we're gonna use matcha to flavor the chiffon. Say hi to the vlog, madam. Hala, nag-memorize lagi mo.
Hello guys. Kamu balian na guys. Babi.
Ay, sorry
Decline lang ito.
Uy, padali ka inyong kauban BK.
Hoy, group 5!
Yun na yung gianak siya.
Yeah, pero isa pa later. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello. Harito gozaimasu.
Sa soccer
Subscriber.
Hello, mano ni What are you doing, Rhea?
We're just going to mix all the dry ingredients.
Yes. So what are your dry ingredients?
We have the matcha powder and also the baking powder and the
Cake flour.
rather and sugar.
Wow. What?
Sorry, scripted. Wait for a while.
What did you do? Hindi na di mag-bake og chiffon. At pinakayaan ka ng kuan, bowl.
Ay, wala pa to.
Unsalted crocodile.
Okay, guys.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, Kenyon.
Vlog! Hi, vlog! This is Julian, guys. Julian, say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog! Glidel, say hi to the vlog. Hi! Ay, okay.
First year up until 4th year, bitch.
What do you like? Cinnamon. Say cinnamon.
Cinnamon. I want cinnamon.
I like your accent. Cinnamon. So, na ang team, mga representative sa United Nations. Oh my God, kasi mag-open si Ma'am para wala sila. Oh my God! Is it a go?
Giving kaya na, sure to giving.
Oh
my God!
I-jiggle daw.
Ano daw? Grabe ka, bungis lagi.
Wala, okay na. Luto na.
Dali niyo, Brimwell, kaya makuha mo ah.
Ano, I mean,
Is your
sunod
sister?
sa ayaw, ano yung mga pot holder,
Ano
yung
ito?
mga
Bread na, bread.
You can
Yung sa ubus, mocha.
Nasa mocha.
Sis pistachio manager.
Pretty cry mo. Wala, big soda yung sister, di ba? Ano yun? Isa to, this one is okay. Opo kayo na, selos. Perfect kilo.
Tina, Ma'am.
Wow!
Ilang ka minutes ba?
Sino ka daw sis Ben?
Kasi.
So perfect. Hawa yan, bis sapaw.
Ang minute na mo.
Wow.
Perfect na color.
Making now the matcha chiffon.
Wow. Ibutan din naman. The match. They like tissue dye.
Wala pa naman kag cheese.
Okay na to. Wow.
That's what we made. It's perfect, of course. Obeng is cleaning the table now. Obeng, say hi to the vlog. Plastic. We're done, guys, with our baking class.